When I think about yesterday, my oh my, my oh.
Lapit na kami mag-landing.
Since I met you, I feel unbreakable.
Hi. Reservation for Jerome Flores.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you, Tan. And I'll just get highlighted information, please. Thank you. And are you parking your car today?
No.
No? Oh, no car? Sure.
No car.
No, all good. Sorry. Thank you.
Yep.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yep.
Okay.
May we request the highest floor, please? Thank you.
Would you like a receipt?
Yes, please.
Sure.
Thank you.
So having a look, so you have got the highest floor. So heading to room, 1114.
Yep.
So elevators down the entry to your
all right.
right-hand
Thank you so
side.
much.
Okay, that's okay. Thank you.
Awesome.
That breakfast voucher for tomorrow. So between 6 and 10 a.m.
Yep.
each morning.
Yep.
Okay.
Thank you.
No worries.
Awesome.
All good. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye. Papunta na kami sa room namin. Andito na kami sa room namin, sa hotel namin. Kaka-check-in lang namin. Natapos din yung biyahe. Grabe. Hindi na namin na vlog yung sa may airport. Okay din yung airport nila eh. Parang Sydney rin. At parang Melbourne din. From airport, we need to travel 1 hour, no mami? 1 hour via Skybus from Gold Coast Airport to our hotel near dito sa may Gold Coast line, sa may gilid mismo ng beach. So mamaya lalabas kami, maglalakad-lakad, kakain, dinner, and si Clark medyo inubo pa rin. Pinatingin na namin siya sa doktor eh. Clark, say hi. Say hi to the camera. Say hi to the camera. Say hi to the camera. Grabe ang ganda ng view namin sa labas. Puro building na modern. Grabe. Pakita ko sa inyo. Bago kami mag-vlog sa baba, maglakad-lakad. Syempre hindi namin dapat kalimutan to. Before anything else, roll that intro please. Lakad na tayo sa baba. Ha? Jacket ka. Malamig sa labas eh.
Wala akong jacket.
Yung suot mo kanina. Bababa na kami. Lilibot-libot. Grabe, sobrang ganda dito. Ang daming tao, puro kainan, ang daming mapupuntahan, puro bilihan. Pero ang napansin ko lang, mag-aalas 6 pa lang, 6 o'clock pa lang, pero padilim na. Kasi sa Melbourne at sa Sydney, yung 6 o'clock maaraw pa eh. Pero yung 6 o'clock dito, wala nang araw, halos madilim na. Kaya hindi dilim tuloy ng shots namin. Ang sunset sa Sydney, 8 p.m. May Starbucks dito. Dalawa na nakita namin Starbucks. Ayan o. Ito si Clark. Clark! Nakahanap na kami ng kainan. We're having our early dinner. Kanina pa kami gutom. Nakahanap na kami ng pwesto namin kakainan for dinner. Yung technique namin para malaman kung ano yung mga kainan o restaurant na really good for babies is syempre may mga iba ding mga parents na may dalang pram or stroller sa restaurant. So meron dito mga may family na meron dalang pram or stroller tulad nito. At ito pa. Diyan si Clark, si Mami. One high chair.
You don't want high chair? Or you sit down?
Kukuha sana ako ng high chair. Kaso ayaw ni Clark eh. Parang okay mga food nila dito, no?
Sa'yo, pasta?
Sige, carbonara. Tapos iba ka. Yeah, one carbonara please. Yep, and then for her, a bowl of rice.
Rice.
Yeah.
Fries.
Fries, sorry.
Sorry. Sorry. Yeah, and then can you have chicken wings?
Chicken wings, yeah.
Nakatulog kanina si Clark sa biyahe. Buti. Nakatulog siya kasi most of the time nahirapan kami, lalo si Mami pag sa flight. Pero kanina sobrang dali. Lakad-lakad muna. Bukas pa yung mga shop kahit gabi na. Most of the shops bukas pa. Kahit yung mga bilihan ng mga damit, mga rip curl, bukas pa sila. Sobrang daming tao. Buhay na buhay itong lugar na to. Sarap dito. Tapos konting lakad lang andyan na yung coastline, yung famous beach nila. Ito. Yan. Saan pa yung food natin? Ganda doon. 1 minute walk sa beach ka na. Sobrang haba ng beach. Hindi mo makikita yung dulo. Hinihintay namin yung food namin. Kain muna kami ha. Mamaya ulit.
Get me through it all. I let my guard down, and then you pulled the rug. I was getting kinda used to being someone you love. The rain as I stand in the desert, I say and knows it's you I
Grabe. Sobrang daming seagull dito. Iwan ko yung pram. Oh, dito ka lang ha, may alon. Dito ka lang.
And honey on those fingertips, feel unbreakable.